Hello, good day and welcome to my channel. The question here says, find the area of the figure shown below. Now, for us to solve this problem, we have to look at the shape that we have here. We have a sector here. This part is a sector, like this whole shape here is a sector, and then this part is a triangle. Now, the size of this triangle are all equal. I have 6 centimeters, 6 centimeters, 6 centimeters. That means these three sides of the triangles are equal. It means that this triangle is an equilateral triangle. And in an equilateral triangle, all the angles are equal. And that means each angle is 60 degrees. So that when we have 60 plus 60 plus 60, it gives you 180 as the total sum of angles in a triangle. So in an equilateral triangle, each angle is 60 degrees. Now, don't forget that sum of angle at a point add up to 360, or sum of angle in a circle add up to 360. So if the whole angle here is 360 and I already have here as 60, then this remaining point here, this remaining angle here, will be equal to 360 minus 60. That will give me 300 degrees. So that means the angle here is 300 and this remaining part is 60. So that the whole angle at a point gives 360. Now, with that, we can find the area of this sector. Don't forget, this sector now is now making angle 300. This is the sector starting from this portion here down to this portion. So the angle that this sector makes at the center of the circle is 300 degrees. So we can now find the area of this sector. Now, don't forget that the formula for the area of a sector is theta over 360 times pi r squared. That is the formula for the area of a sector of a circle. So I can simply say is equal to the angle at the center now, which is 300 for the sector, 300 all divided by 360 multiplied by the value of pi is 22 over 7. Don't forget 22 over 7, the value of pi, multiplied by the square of the radius. The radius is 6 centimeters. So I square 6. So 6 multiplied by 6. That is 6 squared. So now if we simplify, 0 can cancel 0 here. 6 in 30 will give me 5. And then 6 in 36 will give me 6. And then this 6 here can cancel the 6 here. So what I have left now is 5 multiplied by 22 multiplied by 6, then all divided by 7 that I have under there. So that is what I have left in the diagram. Now with that, for us to simplify that, we can simply say that the sum of everything is going to give us the value which is equal to 94.3. So when we punch in these values into our calculator and divide it by 7, it is going to give the area of the sector which is equal to 94.3. And I can say centimeter squared. So this is the area of the sector. Now for the triangle, I can also go on to this triangle now and find the area of this triangle. The area of a triangle, let me use area of a triangle now, is equal to, since we have two sides and an angle between them, I can use the formula half AB sine C. So when you have two sides of a triangle given to you and the angle between those two sides, you can use this formula to find the area of the triangle, half AB sine C. So that will be equal to half multiplied by, don't forget the two sides are 6 and 6, that is A and B is 6. So A is 6 multiplied by B is 6, then times sine the angle between them, which is 60. So sine 60. So that will simplify further to give me, let me continue from here. It will simplify further to give 6 multiplied by 6 is 36. Then times sine 60 is 0.866. Then all divided by the 2, which is the denominator there, all divided by 2. And that will give me, when I multiply this with my calculator, it's going to give me 15.6. 15.6 centimeter square. So the area of the triangle is 15.6. Now, the full area of the shape will now be the area of the sector added to the area of the triangle. So we can now obtain a total area of the shape. Total area of the shape will now be equal to the area of the sector, which is 94.3, added to the area of the triangle, which is 15.6. And when these two values are added, it's going to give us 109.9 centimeter square as the total area of this shape. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. See you in the next video.